Did you know that a raven can recognize itself in the mirror? Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how smart ravens are. You're going to be absolutely surprised at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until the very end. The smartest animals are primates, right? Well, maybe not. The next time you see a raven, take a good look at it, because they may be smarter than you think. Ravens have an intelligence comparable to that of a 2-year-old human child. They're highly adorable, right? No, they're actually scary. Their intelligence is equal to that of great apes such as chimpanzees and even some species of monkeys. And get this, they're even smarter than dolphins. Yeah, that's right. Dolphins are like, I'm a mammal. I can totally crush you. But in the grand scheme of things, they're not as smart as our feathery friends. One reason for their high level of intelligence is that they have the largest brain of any bird. It weighs about twice as much as that of a chimpanzee. The size of their brain is similar to that of a cat. Not just that, ravens also have the most complex brain of any bird. This is the reason why they can use and create tools. They can plan ahead, exhibit self-control, and have excellent problem-solving skills. They can also learn new things quickly, especially if there's food involved, and they have excellent memories. They can remember human faces for decades. No wonder they're considered one of the smartest animals on the planet. Now let's test your knowledge. How smart do you think a raven is? You think a raven can solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, guess what? A study published in the journal Animal Cognition showed that a group of ravens were able to solve a Rubik's Cube puzzle to obtain food rewards. Yes, you heard that right. These birds are so smart that they can figure out how to manipulate a cube to obtain a reward. In the experiment, the birds were first taught to manipulate a set of colored cups to reveal a hidden food reward. Once they learned this task, they were then presented with a 3D printed puzzle that mimicked the cup task, but was far more complex. Yet within a few minutes, they learned to solve the puzzle. After a week of training, the birds had figured out how to manipulate the colored beads on the puzzle to reveal a hidden treat. But that's not all. Ravens can also count. It's true. Researchers taught a group of ravens to recognize the Arabic, numerals 1 through 6. The birds were then shown 2 sets of dots, and were asked to choose the set that had more items. At first, the ravens were just guessing, but they quickly learned to choose the set with more dots. Pretty impressive, huh? Ravens are also known to have a great sense of humor. Well, not really. They enjoy being playful and like to have fun. They often play with their food, and sometimes even with their prey before eating them. They also like to play with people, especially if there's a chance they might get some food. Alright, now we're going to tell you something that will blow your mind. Ravens can recognize themselves in the mirror. This is a sign of high intelligence as it shows that they understand that they are separate from their environment. They also understand that the reflection in the mirror is another self. Not many animals can pass the mirror test, but ravens can. It's a sign of self-awareness. Ravens also use mirrors to check out their behinds when they groom themselves. They also use mirrors to check out their food, and have even been observed playing with their reflections. So the next time you see a raven, don't be afraid. Instead, be amazed by its intelligence. Who knows? Maybe it's smarter than you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have lots of interesting videos coming up for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.